Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a trade recap on how I lost 1% trading my live account on the Dow Jones. So let's get straight into it. So it was a really good trade, I felt. We have earnings, so it's on the Dow Jones, and we have earnings coming out in like 3 days. So maybe that's why the Dow Jones is really choppy. As you can see, it's daily time frame. It's not looking too clean. The 4 hours also not looking clean at all. Really choppy. But to give you a rundown, aside from that, and possibly the reason I shouldn't have taken the trade, which I'll only find out with forward testing. So the daily's bullish. We were in this daily fair value gap that we respected, so I'm expecting to come up and to take out, all these draws and liquidity here. So if on the 4 hour time frame, it'll be clearer. The 4 hours also bullish. So bullish 4 hour broke structure to the upside. It took this high, which means it's making a higher high, which is great. That's bullish. So I'm like, awesome, we're making a higher high. I'm comfortable putting my stop loss down here as I don't think price will come back down there because it's a really good indication of being in an uptrend and high break of structure. Okay. Let's see if we can keep going up. We did not. It's okay. So we're also in this 1 hour buy zone. So on the 1 hour, it's a lot cleaner, but I mean, it's pretty crazy, but we've hit this zone. We're not going to count this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, not 9 times. 9 times before I got subbed out. 10, 11. It's just, it continues being respected. And if you include this one, this is what made it 12, which is crazy. That's like, you don't see that every day. It's pretty cool. The moment we close below this, like, it's a good indication for sure. I feel, maybe. I'd need like a little more candlesticks and then I'd be able to make an assumption. But yeah, so I'm really tired. I'm about to die. I can't even lie. So tired. So we also have another good thing that I should add. We also have, let me just make sure this recording, yep. Really good draw on liquidity to the upside. So we have these highs up here, which are the top ones at daily highs. We have 4 hour highs here, here, here. And we also, yeah, that's it. That's it. This doesn't count. That's just Asia highs or London highs. But the drawn liquidity is really good. Now, I remember back testing because I've only been doing this strategy for 2 weeks or something. If I can't assume price will go up based off drawn liquidity, I need candlesticks to indicate that we are going to come up. So pretty much what I mean is if we're doing something like this, which is kind of what we're doing over here, with liquidity, 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 I can't assume that we're going to take this out. I need to wait for like, an uptrend to begin, and then we can come for this liquidity. You know what I mean? And then we can come for that liquidity. So if this was over here, I can't assume that this liquidity will get taken. I need confirmation, and that confirmation can be in the 1 hour and 4 hour. Yeah, like there's so much liquidity up here, you could definitely be waiting for the 4 hour, which is what happened. Break of structure, high, awesome. What I should have done is waiting for the lower high. I get that, but I based it off of look at the draw of liquidity, which I shouldn't have done. I based it off of look at the draw of liquidity, we're gonna want to come for it. And it was a mistake. So yeah, something you can do apart from journal it. I haven't journaled it yet, I'm about to journal it now. And that's it. So yeah, definitely learned something, which is good, I suppose. And yeah, the live account, I deposited $2,000 in there yesterday, which is when I took the trade yesterday. I took the trade at, let me tell you when I actually entered, 9 o'clock. So halfway, yeah, 4 hours into London session. Stop loss at the low, and then yeah, TP's up here. TP1 was this one, was this high here. So all the green lines aren't draws and liquidity. Oh, aren't TPs, they're just draws and liquidity. And yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's only a short one. Yeah, 4 minutes isn't too long. So yeah, 2,000 in the live account. I deposited more crypto. What I'm gonna start stacking Solana, and I'm gonna keep buying SUI, SUI, because my break even point on Bitcoin and Ethereum is pretty good. But Sui is still a bit high, so I need to start dropping that down. So we're going to start dropping that down a little bit, and we're going to start stacking on some Solana. I was looking at the Solana. Yeah, you can see I bought it down there, that blue line. Solana. The ROI is not bad. ROI is very good. So if Solana's going to come all-time highs again, it'll be 255%, which is really good. Unlike, Bitcoin, Ethereum, where it's like 60%, 100% Ethereum, 60% Bitcoin. You can't, yeah, I don't want to go on a rant. I'm too tired. So that's it. Thought I'd let you know I'm stacking crypto, Solana. Already got Sui, and yeah, that's what we're doing. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Another confluence why I thought we were going to be bullish. I just remember this going on NQ. NQ's ripping to the upside. The Dow Jones still isn't in all-time highs. NQ's in all-time highs. So it's a little bit surprising, to be honest. But NQ, I did really well. I kind of called where we'd come. I mean, fucking called it to a T. 4-hour unmitigated fair value gap. This is the first time me being on the chart since yesterday for NQ. So 4-hour unmitigated fair value gap. We came doinked, bang. We respected this one. We respected the resistance there. Hell yeah, respected the daily. Hell yeah. What a trade. Not what a trade, but great. That's really good. What if we leave replay mode? Oh, this is a replay mode, okay. Yeah, so that's good. So it's about like determine your bias. Like this is for everyone. Determine your bias. But you can't be like, I'm bullish, like we're in all-time highs, we're going long. No, you have to take a step back and be like, okay, but where does price want to go? It wants to fill inefficiencies. It wants to take liquidity out. It wants to rebalance price. So you can see that we've been ripping this whole time. I mean, if you hop on the 4-hour time frame and look at the whole of April, every candlestick is blue. Every candlestick. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. So expecting retracements like this is totally fine. So I did anticipate, there was no trade taken here, but I did anticipate we'd come down. 4-hour unmitigated fair value gap here. I had that marked, and then I had this one marked down here, and then we had an end dog down here. I'm surprised the end dog didn't get doinked, but it just proves how strong that 4-hour fair value gap was, and it proves how bullish we really are. We had the retracement, we didn't even retrace it all the way. I would have expected a retracement to this. Well, this green line. Why the hell am I drawing that? This bottom green line, but we didn't. So it's indicating how bullish we are. So on the 4-hour time frame for NQ, if I can see 4 hours bearish now, so there can be no trades taken whatsoever. If I can see a higher low, so if we close like this, for example, and then we come up here, breaking structure. So 4 hours now bullish with a higher low and a higher high. Bang. We're going to be looking for that 1-hour EQ, and we're going to take it. And we'll take it to all-time highs. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And have a good day. Like and subscribe. We hit 100, so I'm like really happy. So yeah, I'm going to go to bed now. All right, see ya.